If you ever wonder what is the name of the fuses your car might be using, then here are the 3 most common fuses used in today's vehicles: Maxi, Standard, Mini. On top of the fuses, you will find the amp rating. And if you look through the fuse, you will see a bridge connection. If it's broken, then the fuse is blown and you must replace it with the same size and rating. So if anybody asks you the name of the fuses, now you know: Maxi, Standard, Mini.